Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickBooks for supplier 1099 tracking step by step clearly. To register with QuickBooks for supplier 1099 tracking, begin by navigating to the QuickBooks website or opening the QuickBooks application. Log in to your QuickBooks account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol in the upper right corner. Click on Settings to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Account and Settings to access your account options. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Taxes. Under the Taxes section, look for 1099. Click on 1099 to begin the registration process for tracking suppliers. You will see an option to turn on 1099 tracking. Toggle the switch to enable 1099 tracking. Next, you may want to set up your 1099 forms. This will allow you to specify the types of payments that require 1099 reporting. Review the payment categories carefully to ensure accurate tracking. After setting the categories, proceed to add supplier information. Return to the main dashboard and navigate to the Expenses tab. Select Vendors from the menu. Click on New Vendor to add a new supplier to your list. Fill in the required details such as name, email, and address. Ensure you enter the supplier's tax identification number, or TIN. This is crucial for accurate 1099 preparation. Once all information is entered, click Save. Repeat this process for any additional suppliers you want to track for 1099s. After adding all suppliers, return to the Taxes section under Settings. Click on the 1099 option to view all registered suppliers. Here, you can review and confirm the information for accuracy. Make any necessary edits by clicking on the supplier's name. Once satisfied with the supplier registration, return to your dashboard. You are now set up for 1099 tracking with QuickBooks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.